Hello. This program introduces the installation tutorial of the Mechanical Master C30 Pro. Specification: MATX motherboard with 360 up to 335mm and SFX SPU. First, remove the shell. You can use the included screwdriver to unscrew the screw. C30 Pro supports both front and back motherboards. We will demonstrate using a front motherboard. Firstly, based on the layout of the motherboard, screw on the corresponding position. Next, we will replace the vertical tail board. Remove these two screws. Remove the power extension cable. Then remove the screws that fix the tail board. The whole position of the screw. Install the vertical tailboard of the chassis and fix it. Put the power extension cable back. Fix these two screws. This is the graphics card extension cable bracket. Fix the copper pillar attached to the bracket. Installing on the chassis. Fix the two screws located below the rear of the chassis, and this one. Next, install the motherboard. After placing the motherboard I/O board, insert the motherboard and fix it. After plugging in the CPU power cord, thread the wires onto the back of the computer case for cable management. The same goes for the 2-for-pin cable. Including wiring such as chassis switches, also organize from the back to the corresponding interface, then thread it back to the front and plug in the cable. Next, install water cooling. Fix bracket for water cooling. It's these two rows of strip screw holes. Side of the chassis, two 12cm fans can also be installed. The fixing positions of the fan are these 8 screw holes. Bottom of chassis, up to 18 cm or less of AT power supply can be supported. If it is an SFX power supply scheme, above the front of the chassis, you can also install a 12cm fan. Now we choose the SFX scheme. First, fix the power supply to the SFX conversion board. Then fix the power bracket. Note that the bracket slope and power fan are on the same side. Connect the power extension cable and turn on the switch. Insert the power supply into the chassis and fix it. The fixed positions of the power supply are these 4 holes. Connect the power cord. Install the graphics card extension cable. 19 cm. Fix to the extension cable bracket with round head screws. Finally, insert the graphics card. Connect the power cord. Power test. Confirm that the hardware is functioning properly. Replace the power supply decorative panel, as well as the shell and foot pads. This super cool vertical graphics card scheme is completed.